How's it going, guys? Today we'll be learning Bella Ciao or Ciao Bella. It's an Italian song which is really meaningful for Italian people. And yeah, we'll learn the chords and I'll show you guys the tab as well. And with that being said, let's get right into it. So, in this song we'll need 4 chords, but those, there's that chord where you only need to just remove your one finger only from AM, so it's not really a big deal. It's not even like a separate chord, it's just A7, like a 7 version of AM. So there's only we can say there's only 3 chords, which I covered in this video. So those are AM, A7, so A7 is basically here, we have AM here, and then you're just taking this ring finger and then placing it on the 2nd string on the 2nd fret, and we won't need this, so it's just middle on the 4th string and the ring on the 2nd string, both on the 2nd fret. Dun, dun, dun. It's in that part. So far. AM. And then it changes to DM. And then it goes back to AM. Goes to E and then goes back to AM. So one more time. Bella ciao, bella ciao, bella. A7 mattina DM is as well AM bro. So for people who's looking for more advanced and more flamenco style, you can also play it from those bar chords, those same chords. You can also play them on the bar chords, which would be like this. Also, I played in the intro. So AM here, A7, and then DM, back to AM, and then you can finish it off with. And this is the bar chord version. But you don't have to play this, you can also play from here. It's just more fancier looking. It's not really affecting the sound. So, AM. A7, DM, AM, E chord, and AM. That's it. Only 3 chords. AM, DM, E, and A7. Just that, okay, so we have covered the chords, now the rhythm. So rhythm is actually up to you. You can choose what rhythm fits. There's not a certain rhythm that you should follow. We can just make up one. You can use the basic rhythm. So it's down, down, up, down, up, which I also covered in the video. So down, down, up, down, up. So una mattina. Ciao, 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 for that A7, you go down, 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 because the sound is getting louder and louder, so you need to give that effect. So now you can change it to that move. You can add that move in the rhythm. So starting off with the basic rhythm. Adding that stopping rhythm, stopping thing. Down, stop, up, stop, up. Down, stop, up, stop, up. So on E, you can just go down for like several times and then finish it off at the AM. It looks complex, but it's not really complex. You just need to like play it for once or twice and you'll get along with it. So, una mattina, ciao, bella, ciao, bella, ciao, ciao, una mattina. And it goes like this. It just repeats itself, and that is being the song actually. I will put the video that I showed you guys, the tab and the solo here. You can also check it out from there. It'll be the part 2 where I show the solos. Chord version of this song is basically about it. You can really impress people with this song, even though it's too easy. People get impressed in this song. I don't know why, but it sounds great, and if you also sing along, that would make it way better than just playing. So that's basically about it. Check our other videos and make sure to check the solo part too, because it is really giving that flavor in the back as well. So you can also learn that. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.